So make sure that the window's up, all the way up. The door doesn't fully open if the window's half down, and it won't allow the wheelchair to come out. So make sure that the window's all the way up. To bring it out, you just hold it down, hold the down button, and it'll do its thing. You wait for 2 beeps at the end, and that's its way of saying that it's all ready to go. When it's coming out, just make sure that the wheels are sitting outwards. You don't want them sort of pointing inwards or anything, because the platform has to release. So where it is now is in a good position. So keep going down. There we go, 2 beeps. That means it's happy and ready to go. And then you've got your on and off switches here or here, depending which one you're going to use. They work independently of each other. So if you're using the hand control down here, you're going to have this one turned off. So it's one or the other. And then you wheel it away from the car. It'll come off its platform. And then I always sit it away, because it's got sensors all on the front here that sense if the chair is actually in that spot. So you want to move it away from the car, and then to bring it back in, you just press and hold the up button. It'll bring it all back in. Two beeps again, then you can close the doors, lock the car up, and away you go in the wheelchair. It's all ready to go. Then to bring it back, same thing, open the door, press the down button, it'll bring the platform back out.
Oh, sorry, Ben, can we show how to use this?
Yeah.
The chair? Okay.
So again, you're just waiting for the 2 beeps. There we go, it's happy. Now once it's hit that 2 beeps and it's stopped, don't press the down button again, because it remembers this exact spot for the wheelchair to sort of dock onto, so that's its happy spot. So once you get the 2 beeps, don't bring it down anymore. If you do by accident, just bring it up and you should get the 2 beeps. I can do it right now. So I've gone below the point, but if I just bring it back up, there you go, it's gone back to its default position. So you want to hit that point where the 2 beeps are. That means that it's happy. Now for the wheelchair controls, this is your, what we call the carer's position. So you, like I said before, you can only have one on it each time. So if you're going to use it from the back, these are all your controls here. You've got forward and back of these circle buttons. Towards you is backwards, and then that's forwards. These are your speed settings. So you've got 1 to 5, so you just press it however many times you want to go. We usually have it 1 or 2, so it doesn't take off too fast. So that's on 1. You've got a little guide here to show you what all the buttons do. Same thing for this. You've got your on and off switch here. Up is on, and then this is fast and slow. So you've got 2 settings there. And that's fast and that's slow. And then that's to turn it off. So you've got your 2 different controls depending on who's going to be using the chair. And then you've got your batteries just here. So these are your 2 batteries. You can swap between the 2 of them. They give you 2, so in case you run out of 1. This little green button here, you press that, and it'll tell you what level of battery you've got. So you've got 3 there, and this one's fully charged. To get them out, you just press down on that yellow button.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you need a minute, or
No,
we can? Yeah. Okay. Press that yellow button. They lift out like that. So that's the battery pack there. And then to charge it, you've got your little docking station here. That just slots in with the contacts there, sits in like that. That light will start flashing and these will start flashing, and that just plugs into your wall.
You want that in your garage or kitchen or something.
So what my usual rule of thumb is the two batteries should last you the whole day of use. And then when you get home for the day and you're all finished up, I usually take them out and whack them on charge overnight, and then that way they're ready to go for the next day. So they just plug in like that, and then put that over there to close it. That's all of the wheelchair settings. You've got brakes, handbrakes there. It also will slow the chair down automatically with the rear wheels because they're electrically operated, so it'll actually slow itself down if you're not pressing the go button. That's pretty much it for the chair, so we'll bring it back onto the dock. Now for this, you've got just down here, you've got these little sort of tongues that stick out here. You want to line up the dock so it slots into this space here. So we'll bring it back slowly, and I'll just get it into position so you can see roughly where it should sit. Just bring it forward a bit. So that's about it there. So see the tongues, they're sort of sitting either side.
Yep.
And you can see all the damage this has taken. That's intentional. It's meant to sort of just bash into that as it slots in. So now that we've got it sort of lined up, you just keep bringing it back, and you keep going and keep holding it down. I just keep holding it all the way. This will not go any further because that little white bit has stopped it. So I'm just holding the reverse button. So I just hold that down. It'll come all the way.
So once you've docked it, once you've lined it up, you just hold the reverse button.
Yeah. So once you've lined it all up, I just do the reverse button to